Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Robin's Models. So today we're going to whip up this bad boy. This is the Revell Smokie and the Bandit. Everybody knows this car, everybody loves the movie. This is going to be a commission build for Uncle Jerry, or I think we call him Tito, or Tio in Spanish. So looking forward to getting this build. It's going to be interesting, and hopefully it comes out good. So enjoy watching me on this journey, and we'll see how it ends up at the end. And again, I hope everybody's well. Thanks everybody. Bye bye. Alright everybody, here it is. The Smokie and the Bandit 77 Pontiac Firebird. So let's cut into this and see what the score is. Alright, let's see. One of these classic Revell American boxes that everything's stuffed into. So, let's see. We'll start here with the body, hey? Let's take a look at the body. Cut this thing open. Alright. There it is. Looks... There's a few mold lines down the side, but oh, and there's the hood that pops off. Okay, so there's the iconic Smokie and the Bandit body. Doesn't look so bad actually. Next we got some tires, road tires, nothing special. We have one bag with 3 little sprues, so let's see how this looks. Alright, we got, let's see, engine, exhaust, engine parts. Doesn't look so bad, looks okay. Then we have interior door cards, seats, and the dash steering wheel. So that's the interior. Then we've got the front bumper, scoop for the front, and wing mirrors. That doesn't look so bad. And then we have the tub, back seats molded in, and then this is the back of the front seats, I guess. So that's that. All right, another bag with 3 little screws. Let's see. What's going on here? There's another little screw here. Not sure what that is. Looks like part of the engine. So there's the chassis. Looks pretty detailed-ish, I guess. Running gear, wheel hubs, more engine parts, fan. See this, the hat. That's cool, right? I have to see how to paint that. More running gear, the suspension molded in this one piece. This is always quite problematic. Shocks. Alright, let's take a look at the chrome. Normally the chrome on these old Revell kits isn't the best, and this one is not scratched but super shiny. Should I keep it or should I paint it myself? It's very shiny. Holy moly. I don't know, we'll see what we do on that. Here's the wheels, but I think they're painted gold. Yeah, very shiny chrome parts, and then here's the glass. I won't take it out the bag, but let's see. The front is not scratched, the back is not scratched, so that's good. And then is there any? It's for the couple of screws and a bar. I guess that's for some of the wheels on the back. And then there should be a decal sheet here, I guess. Yep. window trim and the iconic logo on the front. And then look at the number plates. How cool is that? Ban 1. Awesome. And then let's take a look at this instruction booklet. Only 12 steps. So you can lower the ride height and raise the ride height too. So take a look. That looks relatively simple. So we'll see. Obviously, it's going to be built exactly by the book, as it would make no sense to go rogue on this. And I say this is not a build for me. This is a build for Uncle Jerry. His name is. Lives in Mississippi. His favorite movie ever is this movie. I think the last gift that we gave him for Christmas was Smokie and the Bandit related. So I think it was a t-shirt actually that said, give me my Diablo sandwich now. So hopefully he enjoys this. I haven't told him I'm doing it. And we'll see how it comes out. And hopefully I do it justice and it comes out good. Or we will see. And appreciate everybody joining and everybody's time. And as always, you know, the world's a crazy place. But I think this modelling hobby, right, keeps us all sane. And again, thanks for watching. And let's see how this progresses. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye. Catch you at the end. And here is the final beast. So overall, happy with it. Problem is an old Revell kit. Just lets it down. So thing won't go together properly. The bottom and the top just won't marry up. So unfortunately I had to move quite a few components from the engine to make it close. The hood won't even close properly, as you can see here. So I'm happy with how it came out. It's a gift for Uncle Jerry, or T.O. as we call him. I think he'll be happy with it, but I'm relatively happy with it. It's just the model was just a piece of shit, to be honest with you. So classic old Revell kit. It's actually not that old. I think it's from 2004, but it is what it is. Especially, you know, when you go from Tamiyas and Platts to this old Revell. It's such a shame, because they actually make great items, great cars, great products, but the actual finish of the model is just crap. So I wish other people would buy the licenses that they have. Oh well. Alright everybody, hope everything's well, and be safe. Thank you. Bye bye.